What is the best beard and comb for your beard? That is what this video is about. I'm gonna get into the pros and cons. Here we go. This is Zackus. I do honest reviews and I do them here without being affiliated or sponsored. I just like to try products out and then give you guys an honest review of it. So you find cool stuff, things that make your life more fun, make your money more efficient. And I've been on the search for the best beard brush and comb. So I finally found one that I just absolutely love and I had to tell you guys about it. My last brush lasted me almost 5 years, no, 6 years. 6 years. And I just thought, you know what, it's time to see what's out there, what's better. And I tried several and I came up with this one. This one has got amazing reviews, which is why I bought it. But it's just got this solid manly look and solid feel quality. And the bristles are tight and strong and stiff like you want, because beard are coarse, you know, you got to take care of them. You got to make sure that they look good, that they feel good, that they really make your beard look good. You've also got to put treatments and stuff in them. So I'm going to list some links down right below in the description, right underneath the video, of stuff that I use. I don't like beard oils. I know a lot of guys do, and if you do, that's great. But I prefer stuff that's more creamy, lotiony, that doesn't really smell a lot. I've got this that really treats the skin underneath your beard. And so I just wanted to throw that in there for you guys that are looking for stuff like that. But you want to, you know, I've done other videos on beard stuff, so be sure and check that out, because you want to see, to shampoo them, you want to make sure they're softened. You want to make sure that you keep it, you know, looking good, smelling good, feeling good. And I also love this comb. It's got a little travel pack with it, or you can put it in your travel thing. It's got 2 different sides. So you got your fine side and your thicker side. I like the fine side because I just like to feel that. But you can also use it, you know, on the thicker side if you just want to kind of like get things a little unscraggly, you know, like they tend to do. It's just it's made out of wood, it's solid feeling, it's manly looking, and I mean, you just can't beat it. Like, your main thing as a person with a beard is you need a beard brush. And I'm also going to put a link down below to my travel beard brush. I'll do another video on that, but I have a smaller version that I do travel with. But you just want to make sure every day when you get out of the shower in the morning, comb that beard, make sure it looks good. And you don't want anything that's like loose and not stiff, because it needs to go through that beard and really pull those hairs into place and make sure that it looks really, really good. You know what I mean? You gotta look good. Guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything you want to ask or comment you have. I hope that you try this out. I'm going to put an Amazon link right below. Of course, you can return it if you don't like it, but I've been using this for about 2 months now and I just love it, love it, love it. Hope you do too. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Cancel at any time. Become part of Zackus Nation. We do cool videos like this. You'll get notified first when I put up all the videos. And I do a lot of stuff for men, so you want to be sure to check that out. And if you have any questions, again, just comment below. I will see you in the next Zackus video, hopefully. Peace.